Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Fandango gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight in this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is visit fandango.com, and then from there find a movie. So you use the search bar or browse through the available movies to find the one you want to search. And then select your ticket, so choose a number of tickets you'd like to purchase, then click on continue, and then you want to either sign in or continue as a guest, and then proceed to checkout, so review your order and click checkout. And then on the payment page, look for the section labeled have a promo code or gift card, enter your Fandango gift card number and PIN usually found on the back of the card, and then click on apply. Then from there complete your purchase. So if the total cost of the ticket is more than the value of the gift card, you need to pay the remaining balance with a credit card or another payment method. Once the gift card is applied, click complete my purchase. Now if you're using the mobile app, so make sure to sign in, log in to Fandango, find a movie, select the amount of tickets, then proceed to checkout. Then on the payment page, tap on promo code or gift card, enter your Fandango gift card number and PIN, tap apply, and then pay any remaining balance with a credit card or another payment method to complete your purchase. And now if you're doing this at a participating theatre, so while Fandango gift cards are primarily for purchasing tickets online or through the app, some theatres might allow you to use them directly at the box office. So to do this, you'll typically need to go to a theatre, a participating theatre's box office, select your movie and showtime, and then tell the cashier which movie and showtime you want to attend. Provide your Fandango gift card number and PIN to the cashier, and pay any remaining balance. So if you got the ticket exceeds the value of the gift card, you need to pay the difference using another payment method like a credit card